What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Dubois Family Dinner. We like to eat well on a budget.
Today we are going to be making copycat buffalo wild wings, garlic Parmesan wings, and Asian Zing.
Yeah!
Alright, so we are just getting ready to roast our garlic here. So we chopped off the top, and then we are just going to drizzle it with olive oil, and then wrap it up in the foil. And then we are just going to put that in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 minutes. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes, so we are going to take out this garlic, and it smells amazing.
Instead of frying our chicken wings, we're actually going to bake them. So what we went ahead and did is we did 2 tablespoons about of baking powder, and then just salt and pepper, and we're going to mix all the wings in there so that they all get coated and mixed, and then we're going to bake them. We laid our chicken that we coated with the baking powder on a baking sheet. We're going to bake it for about 20 minutes on 425, and then we're going to flip it and continue baking for another 20 minutes.
Alright guys, we are going to start on our Asian Zing sauce. So we turned on the stove to a medium heat. We're going to do about a tablespoon of garlic. Don't eat it, it's going to be gross. About a third of a cup of honey. Yeah, that smells so good already. We're going to do a tablespoon of lime juice. Just a little tiny bit of sesame oil because it's super strong. Like maybe half a teaspoon, I'd say. About a tablespoon of sriracha and about a tablespoon of soy sauce. We are just going to whisk this all together.
Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes, so we're going to check on our chicken wings. Nice and hot. So we're going to take those out and we're going to actually flip all of them. Feel that they actually are getting a little bit crispy, which is awesome. So for our garlic Parmesan sauce, I'm going to give the shout outs to Healthy Junk Food, another YouTube channel, for the recipe. But we're going to do for the dry, there's 2 parts to this. There's a dry seasoning blend and then the rest of the sauce. So for the dry seasoning blend, we're going to do 1 part oregano. So this is all kind of eyeballs. You do 1 part that, 1 part basil, 1 part marjoram, do 1 part black pepper. Just try to make it as even as you can. Obviously, if you like different flavors, you can kind of mix all that up. And then we're going to go 2 parts salt, so quite a bit of salt. Let that go. Okay, and then actually 2 parts red pepper flakes. We haven't shared this in the past. Kind of our trick with red pepper flakes is anytime we get pizza or go somewhere, we try to just get packets of red pepper flakes. So we haven't actually bought red pepper flakes in a long time. So we're gonna go 2 parts of red pepper flakes. We're going to check out how the roasted garlic turned out. It's like Christmas morning unwrapping a present. Boom. Look at that. So we're going to start our garlic Parmesan sauce. So we're going to take our roasted garlic. We're going to squeeze that out into a food processor. So you kind of want to let it cool so it doesn't destroy and burn your fingers. As you can see, as I'm just squeezing it out, it's all starting to come out here. So you just want to get as much of those cloves out as you can, and we're going to crush and press all of those. So if you guys don't have a food processor, you could probably push all this out onto a cutting board and just press it into a paste. To our garlic paste, we're going to add about a half cup of mayonnaise. This is more of a creamy sauce, so don't be too concerned about that. Okay. To that, we're going to add a tablespoon of vinegar. I'm going to add a tablespoon of corn syrup. Add just about a teaspoon of lemon juice. A couple tablespoons of Parmesan. Oh, that's a lot. And then to that, the dry seasoning. You can add as much of that flavor as you want, but it recommends just a tablespoon of that, but we added a little bit more. And then we'll go ahead and we'll mix all that together. And as you can notice, we're doing it in a bigger bowl. We decided we're just going to do it in the bowl. We're going to toss the wings in, just kind of eliminate one step. And then once all this is mixed, the longer you're able to refrigerate it, the better the sauce is going to get. So the chicken wings should be done. Let's go ahead and take those out. Oh, look at those. Got some good color on them. Alright, y'all. So now all we got to do is toss the wings in the sauce. So we got our Asian Zing in one, garlic Parmesan in the other. And we're just going to do a little bit in each, and then we'll just toss it through the sauces. Let's see if I got it. With the garlic Parmesan sauce, because it is thicker and we have more of it, it'll be a little bit of a different toss. We're going to kind of roll it in it. We're going to roll it in the sauce. Okay, shake off a little bit of the excess, and we're just going to plate it like that. Alright, y'all, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Good job.